The Canadian lobster is a truly exclusive delicacy in appearance, size and taste. These larger lobsters live on rocks in the cold and clean waters along Newfoundland's south and west coasts. Local fishermen in small day boats catch the lobsters in specially designed traps. These lobsters are all hard-shell lobsters, with a shell fully packed with firm meat and much less water than the soft-shell variety. In Royal Greenland's production facilities in Newfoundland, the live lobsters are carefully processed by hand. Upon arrival, they are gently stunned with fresh, cold water, and the rubber band on the large claws is removed. The lobsters are graded by hand for size and weight, before each lobster is placed carefully in a mesh sock, quickly frozen and glazed with water to keep the lobster fresh while frozen. The lobsters are packed and put into the freezer, ready to be shipped to customers all over the world.